Welcome to Katon. Hello, everyone. My name is Kaira, and I'm here to share some simple yoga poses for beginners that you can practice at home. These poses are perfect for those who are new to yoga or looking for a gentle and effective way to improve their physical and mental well-being. Chaturanga Pose, also known as low plank, is a beneficial yoga pose for children that helps to strengthen the arms, shoulders, and core, while improving overall body awareness and posture. It is a great pose for building upper body strength, which is essential for various physical activities. Practicing Chaturanga Pose can also improve concentration and focus, as it requires balance and control. Additionally, Chaturanga Pose helps to develop body awareness and proper alignment, which can translate into better posture in everyday activities. Overall, Chaturanga Pose is a challenging yet rewarding pose that can enhance physical strength, mental focus, and body awareness in children. Cobra Pose, also known as Bhujangasana, is a beneficial yoga pose for children that helps to stretch and strengthen the back, chest, and shoulders, while promoting healthy spinal alignment. It can help to improve posture and flexibility, while also stimulating the digestive system and promoting healthy digestion. Cobra Pose also opens up the chest and lungs, which can enhance breathing and respiratory health. It can also boost energy levels and improve overall body awareness. Cobra Pose is a gentle yet effective pose that can be a great addition to a child's yoga practice for physical strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Downward-facing dog pose, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a beneficial yoga pose for children that helps to stretch and strengthen the entire body, while promoting relaxation and focus. It stretches the back, shoulders, hamstrings, and calves, while strengthening the arms, shoulders, and core. Downward dog pose also helps to improve posture and promote healthy spinal alignment. It can also boost blood flow to the brain, improving concentration and mental clarity. Downward dog pose is a popular and accessible pose for children, providing physical strength, flexibility, and mental relaxation benefits. Finally, cat pose, also known as Madhyasana, is a beneficial yoga pose for children that helps to stretch and mobilize the spine, while promoting relaxation and body awareness. It involves arching and rounding the back, which can help to improve flexibility and mobility in the spine. Cat pose also engages the core muscles, helping to strengthen the abdominal muscles and promote healthy digestion. Additionally, cat pose can help to relieve tension and stress in the back, neck, and shoulders, promoting relaxation and calmness in children. Cat pose is a gentle and accessible pose that can be a great addition to a child's yoga practice for spinal health, relaxation, and body awareness. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, but about listening to your body and practicing with mindfulness and self-care. These simple poses can be practiced at home and are suitable for beginners of all ages and fitness levels. So, join me in incorporating these gentle yoga poses into your daily routine and experience the wonderful benefits for your physical and mental well-being. Let's embark on this yoga journey together. Thank you for watching Katon. Do share, like, comment, and subscribe.